Now students, as we have done generator, and that is consuming and carrying forward the alternate current. So we are getting in the end the alternate current that is having different phases. Now when we are talking about DC generator, that is direct current generator, that means that at the end we are receiving direct current. So this is the diagram for this, and what we are having here, the same thing that we were having in case of alternate current, that is the magnetic field, coil, and this axle that is attached with two split rings, and here we are having two brushes, okay, that is X and Y, and split rings are denoted by P and Q. Okay, so here as you can see in the diagram that split rings are like this, that is also known as commutator. Okay, so commutator here is rotating on the axle. You know that axle is here in between, and that axle is going to rotate. So with this axle, now this coil is going to be rotate. This is ABCD. Okay, so here this part is AB and this is CD, like this. Now you know that we are having three things, that is F, B and I. F means force that we are going to provide, and if we are rotating this axle, that is we are providing a force, external force is given by us. So when we are rotating it in clockwise direction like this, so this coil will also rotate in clockwise direction, okay, like this. Okay, now that means force part is being covered by us. Magnetic field is provided by us, that is going to be external, north, south, and it is like this. Fine students? Okay, now you can see that here for this phase, particular phase, by using the Fleming's right hand rule, force, that means it is going to move in clockwise direction, that means AB side is coming to upward direction like this. So F is like this, B means like this in the direction of north to south, magnetic field direction, force is on my direction, okay, above the board like this, and I will be this one. So we can say that this is I and this is going to be upward here. And for this particular side, this is CD side. So what we are having here, as you can see, again we can see use this one. Now at this time CD, when AB is coming here upward direction, then CD will go down to this board, okay, in downward direction. So we can see it is going like this, okay, inside this board, and this magnetic field like this, A north to the south direction, and this is what we are having, that is the direction of current is in downward direction. Now students, that the main thing that we can see here, that this AB side is going to be getting current in this direction, that is recorded here with the help of the brushes that is put here and here, that is attached here with the X and Y. So whatever current is going to be drawn in AB, it is received here, and split rings are going to be connected with the coil, so split ring will also get rotate, okay, and X is stationary, Y brushes are stationary position, these two are at stationary position, so these split rings will be rotate like this. Okay, so let's suppose we are talking it like this, this is split ring, jo ye wali split ring hai, let's suppose this is P, this is Q. Okay, so now ab ye jo P hai beta, so when this is going to be rotate like this, then at a time this P will come here and this Q will come here. So we can say at this time we are getting the half rotation. Okay, so after getting this half rotation, what is going to happen? P will be here, Q will be here, but brushes will be at the same position. Now, because Q is connected to CD side, P is connected to AB side. Now CD will also come here and AB will go there. Okay, so now we can say that this one will be C, D and this one will be B, A, like this. Fine. Now what is happening when the coil is getting half rotate, and now again the magnetic field lines are passing it like this. So again by using Fleming's right hand rule, so when we are calculating CD, now in case of this CD is here at this location, so we can say now CD is having the direction, the current of the direction is in upward direction and the direction of the AB will be downward. But what is happening here? CD is getting upward. That means earlier it was getting downward direction of the current. Now it is getting upward because it has changed its location. Though it has changed its location, now the same current is getting recorded by the split ring Q, because now Q will be here and P will be here. So now this Q is connected to the same brush X and Y. So X here will be connected to Q now and Y here will be connected to P now. But what is happening? This X again is receiving upward direction. Earlier also when AB was here, the direction of the current that has been recorded by the X brush was upward. Now when the CD has come here, so now it is having the upward motion of the current in this case. So again it is getting the downward direction like this. And here earlier the direction of the current was this, downward. But now when AB is transferred to here, and again we are using this Fleming's right hand rule. So again what we got? We got the downward direction in Y brush because split rings have changed its direction also. So that is why we can say in case of direct current, we are set the polarity. Let's suppose this upward is considered as the positive polarity and this one is the negative. So the polarity of particular place, polarity of particular terminals are set. So here this is known to be as the direct current because one is going to be positive terminal and one is definitely going to be negative terminal. But in case of the AC generator, we were having two different rings, okay? That two different rings are actually moving and recording different values again and again.